Okay, let's go.
Jazzy Joe's Autograph Adventures.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Joe's Autograph Adventures. This is a web series where in every episode I show you 10 autographs of 10 celebrities based on a theme. And the feedback I've been getting from all of you and the love and support I've been getting from all of you is amazing. And before we move on, I'd just like to say thank you very much. And this time we are talking about the top 10 popular Indian actors. These are people who have made a place for themselves in the hearts of millions of fans in India. And we start with an artist who began his career as a child artist in 1948, and he is a part of the legendary Kapoor family in Bollywood. I am talking about Balbir Raj Kapoor, better known as Shashi Kapoor. Shashi Kapoor was an Indian actor and film producer who is recipient of several accolades, including 4 National Film Awards and 2 Filmfare Awards. Kapoor mainly worked in Indian cinema but also featured in a number of English international films, especially films produced by Merchant Ivory. For his contributions to cinema, the Government of India honoured him with the Padma Bhushan and the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards. He began his career in Raj Kapoor's Aag and had his first adult role in Yash Chopra's Dharmputra in 1961. He went on to appear in 116 Hindi films, including 61 films as the solo lead hero and 55 multi-star cast films, 21 films as supporting actor, and special appearances in 7 films. He was a very popular actor in Bollywood during the 60s, 70s and mid-80s. Now, I couldn't meet Shashi Kapoor ji. A couple of times I was quite close to meeting him. Once I went to Prithvi Theatre in Mumbai, and but before the show ended, he just left. He left quickly, so I could not meet him. But I do have him in my autograph records collection, and the record I want to show you is this one. This is a small record, what we call an EP, extended play record, and you can see it's of the movie Bombay Talkie. I had mentioned that he worked in some Merchant Ivory productions. This is one of them, and you can see at the back, it's a bit damaged cover, but the songs are there. The famous song in this movie was Typewriter, Tip 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 by Kishore Kumar and Asha Bhosle. And Usha Iyer has a couple of songs. It's a rare record, you can't easily get it. And in the front, you can see that it's a fabulous thing to have in my record collection because it has both the autographs of Shashi Kapoor ji and his wife Jennifer Kendall. Both have autographed this record in the front. It's a proud possession in my collection. Our next popular actor is a record holder in the Limca Book of Records, as he was a leading man in 19 films in 1989, and that record is still unbroken till today. Known as India's disco dancer, I am talking about Gauranga Chakravarti, or as he is well known, Mithun Chakravarti. Mithun Chakravarti is an Indian film actor, producer, writer, social worker, entrepreneur, television presenter, and a former Rajya Sabha member of Indian Parliament. He is the recipient of 2 Filmfare Awards and 3 National Film Awards and is one of the most successful actors in the history of Bollywood. He made his debut with Mrigya in 1976 and famously played Jimmy in the highly successful 1982 film Disco Dancer. Mithun is also remembered for his performance in films like Suraksha, Sahas, Vardat, Wanted, Boxer, Pyar Jhukta Nahi, Pyari Behna, Avinash, Dance Dance, Prem Pratigya, Mujrim, Agnipath, and many more. He has appeared in more than 350 films of various genres such as action, family drama, musicals, romance, and comedy. Unfortunately, I have been unable to meet Mithun Chakravarti too, but I spoke to his secretary and I sent some records to be autographed, and he did autograph all the records. And the autograph I want to show all of you is on a very special record. This is the record of the movie Disco Dancer. This is the movie which placed Mithun Chakravarti at the top of the charts because of his role as Jimmy. The movie not only clicked at the box office but had a wonderful soundtrack, and you can see at the back every song was a hit song. I am a disco dancer, Jimmy Jimmy Aja, Aua Aua, ए ओ आ, याद आ रही है, कृष्णा धरती पे आजा तू, गोरों की ना कालों की. Every song was a hit song at the time. It was produced and directed by B. Subhash, and the music was by the Disco King, Bappi Lahiri. And you can see at the front of the record, Mithun ji has signed saying, "To Jazzy Joe, love, Mithun Chakravarti." One of the most popular and influential actors of Hindi cinema, our next actor has been described by Newsweek magazine as the biggest actor in the world. Also known as Mr. Perfectionist, I am talking about Mohammad Amir Hussain Khan, or as we know him, Amir Khan. Amir Khan is an Indian actor, director, filmmaker, and television talk show host. Through his career spanning over 30 years in Hindi films, he is the recipient of numerous awards, including 9 Filmfare Awards, 4 National Film Awards, and an ACTA Award. He was honoured by the Government of India with the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award. His commercially successful films include Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, Dil, Raja Hindustani, Sarfarosh, Lagan, Fana, Rang De Basanti, Tare Zameen Par, Gajani, Three Idiots, Dhoom, and Dangal. His films are known for dealing with social issues, much like his TV show Satyamev Jayate. I met Amir Khan when I got to know that he's in Delhi for the shooting of the movie Dangal a few years back. And I got to know where he's staying. So I went there, I sat in the lobby, had a cup of tea, waited for him, and after a couple of hours, he turned up with security. And they were not allowing anybody to come close to him. So I didn't know what to do. So I waited. I waited till he was just in front of me. His ear was right in front of my mouth. And that's when I called him. I said, "Amir, hi." So he turned. I said, "Hi, I'm an autograph collector and I have some records. Could you autograph them?" So he smiled and he said, "Yeah, sure." So I gave him the records and he autographed each one and told me a few things about each film, each record. And he was very, very happy, very nice. And he autographed all of them. But the record that I would like to show all of you is his first movie, Lagan. What I mean by saying his first movie is that this was the first Amir Khan production. He was an actor before this movie, but with this movie, he became a producer too. It was the first movie of his production house. And what a movie. The movie clicked at the box office and the songs were hit. You can see at the back, Ganan Ganan Midwa, Radha Kaise Na Jale, Chalo Chalo, and of course, Lagan, Once Upon a Time in India. The music was by the legendary A.R. Rahman and the lyrics were by Javed Akhtar. And you can see that he has signed in the front at exactly the right spot, saying, "Dear Jazzy, happiness always, love, Amir." It's a wonderful, wonderful thing to see that the way he has autographed, the placing of his autograph is absolutely perfect. No wonder he is called Mr. Perfectionist. Our next popular actor lived and grew up in Chandni Chowk, learned martial arts, worked as a chef and a waiter in Bangkok, became a model in Mumbai, and he was part of the background dancers in many films. Jack of all trades, but master of one. I am talking about Rajiv Hariom Bhatia, better known as Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar is an actor, producer, martial artist and television personality. In a career spanning over 29 years, Kumar has appeared in over 100 films and has won several awards, including 2 National Film Awards, 2 Filmfare Awards and the Padma Shri by the Government of India. Having starred in 113 films, 52 of which were commercially successful, he has established himself as one of the prominent actors of Hindi cinema. When he began his career in the 90s, he mainly starred in action films, but later also gained fame for his drama, romantic and comic roles. His hit films include Khiladi, Main Khiladi Tu Anari, Mohra, Sabse Bada Khiladi, Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi, Hera Feri, Fir Hera Feri, Bhagam Bhag, Namaste London, Bhool Bhulaiya, Singh is King, Chandni Chowk to China, Houseful, Patiala House, Rowdy Rathore, Airlift and Rustam, among others. I met Akshay Kumar once at a show in Delhi, but I did not know he was coming to the show, so I did not have any records to get autographed. So I met him and he was in a hurry, so couldn't take a snap also, but it was great to see him, great to meet him, and I do have him in my record collection. This is the record I have signed by Akshay Kumar. This is the record of the movie Patiala House, a multi-starrer with a wonderful, wonderful soundtrack by Shankar Ehsaan Loy. You can see at the back great songs, famous songs, and a lot of singers. And you can see he has signed in the front. He has written Om, Love, Akshay. And now we come to an artist whose career of more than 4 decades has established him as one of the most popular actors both in commercial cinema and in parallel cinema. He has also been awarded the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India. I am talking about Naseeruddin Shah. Naseeruddin Shah is an Indian film and stage actor and director who has won numerous awards in his career, including 3 National Film Awards, 3 Filmfare Awards, and an award at the Venice Film Festival. Shah has acted in movies such as Nishant, Akrosh, Sparsh, Albert Pinto Ko Gussa Kyun Aata Hai, Trikal, Junoon, Arth Satya, Mandi, Katha, and Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. He has also starred in mainstream commercial Bollywood movies like Hum Panch, Masoom, Karma, Ijazat, Jalwa, Hero Hiralal, Gulami, Tridev, Vishwatma, Mohra, Hey Ram, Iqbal, Monsoon Wedding, The League of Extraordinary Gentlemen, Maqbool, The Dirty Picture, and many more. Shah has also been giving performances with his theatre troupe at places such as New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Lahore. I met Naseeruddin Shah ji twice. The first time I met him at the Prithvi Theatre in Mumbai, where he had a play. And it was quite a surprise to meet him because I thought he would have some attitude, having done so much work, for so many years. But he came through as a genuine, music lover, and he saw the records and he just, enjoyed them like a child. And he said, "Are you seeing the play?" So I told him, I said, "Sir, I tried to get tickets, but your play is booked. It's fully booked. So I could not get tickets, otherwise I wanted to see it." So he said, "Okay, just a minute." He called somebody from the theatre and he said, "2 tickets I want." Because my friend was there with me. And he got me 2 complimentary tickets and he told me, he said, "Don't go in between. You see the whole play and then you give me your critical view. Was it good? Was it bad? How it was?" And he signed all my records. And it was great fun. Next time I went to his home, again, I had a lot of items, including his book and his DVDs and some records, and he signed all of them. But the record I want to show all of you is of this movie, Katha. It is one of his movies with Farooq Sheikh and Deepti Nawal. And why I chose to show you this record, although it has a wonderful soundtrack, it has wonderful songs, you can see at the back. But I just wanted to show you something along with the autograph. So in the front, you can see he has written "With love to Joe, Naseeruddin Shah." But if you look closer at the photograph of Farooq Sheikh, you can see that Farooq Sheikh in this photograph has mustaches and a small beard. Actually, that is not part of the photograph. That is not part of the record cover. This is the naughtiness of Mr. Naseeruddin Shah, who drew the mustache and the beard on Farooq Sheikh. So, like I was telling you, that he looked at them with the joy of a child. He has autographed and he made this mustache and beard on the face. Shows you his naughty side. A wonderful possession in my collection. Our next artist is one of the most popular and loved actors in the Hindi film industry. And he has come up the hard way. He was rejected as a chef at Taj Hotel. And he was rejected as a flight attendant in Air India. And then somebody asked him, "Would you like to model?" And the rest, as they say, is history. I am talking about Jaikishan Kakubhai Shroff, or as we all fans know him, Jagu Dada, or Jackie Shroff. Jackie Shroff is an Indian actor who has been in Bollywood industry for almost 4 decades and has appeared in more than 220 films in 13 languages and has won 4 Filmfare Awards, among others. His first role came in Devanand's movie Swami Dada, followed by his first break in Subhash Ghai's super hit blockbuster Hero. Known to be a darling of the masses, his hit films include Karma, Yudh, Ram Lakhan, Tridev, Parinda, Saudagar, Angar, Gardish, Khalnayak, 1942 A Love Story, Rangila, Border, and Shapath. He has done movies in Hindi, Konkani, Kannada, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Bengali, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Bhojpuri, Gujarati, and English. I have not had the fortune of meeting Jagu Dada yet, but I hope to meet him soon somewhere. But I do have him in my record collection, and this is the record, the movie which made him a superstar and is known as his debut movie for superstardom, Hero, a movie produced and directed by Subhash Ghai. It had wonderful, wonderful songs written by Anand Bakshi with music by Lakshmikant Pyarelal. And you can see at the back, there are 2 autographs, Ramesh Patel and Subhash Ghai. Both have autographed. And in the front, you can see it's a bit soft because it was signed by a ball pen. So it's not very, very clear, but you can see the autographs of Jackie Shroff and Meenakshi Seshadri, the lead pair in this movie. So it's a very, very special record in my autograph collection. Our next popular actor became an overnight sensation with his debut film. In fact, if I just tell you the film, you will know whom I'm talking about. It was such a legendary film. The film was Aashiqui. And yes, I am talking about the heartthrob Rahul Roy. Rahul Roy is an Indian film actor, producer and former model known for his works in Bollywood and television. Roy began his acting career with the 1990 blockbuster Aashiqui, with the newcomer Anu Agarwal as his heroine. He followed it up with movies like Sapne Sajan Ke, Fir Teri Kahani Yaad Aayi, Janam, Junoon, Pyar Ka Saya, among others. And his recent movies include Naughty Boy, Rafta Rafta, To Be or Not to Be, Night and Fog, Cabaret, etc. He also appeared on the television program Bigg Boss in 2006 and won the game show by public votes. I got to meet the Aashiqui hero on one of my trips to Mumbai, and it was a great pleasure to meet him, and he really enjoyed looking at the records, and he autographed all the records I had. And the record, of course, which other record would I want to show you? Then Aashiqui. This is the new version of the record, the latest release, and I like it a little better because it has wonderful photographs on the cover, on the back cover, and even inside. The hit songs of this movie include Jaane Jigar Jaane Man, मैं दुनिया बुला दूंगा, एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए, नजर के सामने जिगर के पास, तू मेरी जिंदगी है, अब तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम, and my favorite, धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना. And you can see Rahul Roy has signed in the front. He's written Jazzy Joe, lots of love. And Rahul Roy sent me a message. Here it is.
Hi, this is Rahul Roy, and this message goes out to my friend DJ Jazzy Joe, collector of maximum number of autographs and vinyl records, the Limca Book of Record Holders, for the maximum number of autographs on vinyl records. Buddy, God bless you. May all your future endeavors be very successful, and may your Aashiqui with autographs always continue. Catch up with you soon, buddy. Lots of love.
Wow, thanks a lot, Rahul. What a great gesture on your part. All I can say is thank you, thank you, thank you. Our next popular actor also became a hit on his debut film. Again, it was a romantic film. He is the son of the legendary star Rajendra Kumar. And the name of the film is Love Story. Yes, you guessed it, I am talking about Kumar Gaurav. Kumar Gaurav is an Indian film actor who has acted in several hit films such as Love Story, Teri Kasam, Star, Naam, and Kante. His debut film Love Story was produced by his father, and it played at the box office for a long time for its innovative story, memorable music by R.D. Burman, and the fresh leading pair. He also starred in Mahesh Bhatt's television film Janam. His understated performance in this film is still considered his career's best. His later films include Fool, Gang, and his first American film, Guyana, 1838. Once again, I met Kumar Gaurav ji on one of my trips to Mumbai. I found out his secretary's number and I spoke to him and I told him I want to get some records autographed. And his secretary said, okay, why don't you come tomorrow? Are you in Mumbai? I said, yeah. So I went, I met him, and he was very happy to see the records. Like most artists are, they really love to see their LP records. And he signed all of them. And of course, the record I want to show you is his debut movie, Love Story. As you can see, the record says Rajendra Kumar's Love Story. It has a very simple cover, only 2 roses, no photographs of any of the artists. And at the back, the photograph is there. The hero, heroine are there. And you can see the songs. क्या गजब करते हो जी, देखो मैंने देखा है एक सपना, ये लड़की जरा सी दीवानी लगती है, and the famous तेरी याद आ रही है. Again music by R.D. Burman and lyrics by Anand Bakshi. And you can see inside the cover also a close-up of both the hero and heroine. Wonderful photograph. I think it makes up for the lack of the photo in the front. And you can see he has signed in the front saying, "To Jazzy Joe, love, Kumar Gaurav." Starting in 1962 as a child artist, our next popular actor won his first national award when he was just 4 years old. There is only one, Sachin Pilgaonkar, better known as Sachin. Sachin Pilgaonkar, also known by his first name Sachin, is an Indian film and television actor, director, singer and producer. Starting as a child in a Marathi film, he went on to work in around 65 films as a child artist before switching to adult roles with movies like Geet Gata Chal, Balika Badhu, Ankhiyon Ke Jarokon Se, College Girl and Nadia Ke Paar. He played supporting roles in Trishul, Sholay, Avatar, Sur Sangam and Satte Pe Satta. Then he took to direction, making Marathi movies and producing TV serials like Tu Tu, Main, Rin 123 and also anchoring the Hindi music show Chalti Ka Naam Antakshari. Again, I met Sachin ji in Mumbai, at his office in Mumbai, and it was a pleasure to meet him. And he looked at all the records and he was amazed that how could somebody collect all the records of his movies. And the record I want to show you is not Geet Gata Chal or Nadia Ke Paar. I have those also autographed, but I want to show you the record of the movie Sholay. I want to show you this record because although they were big, huge characters like Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, Amjad Khan, Jaya Bhaduri, Hema Malini, although their roles and their personalities in the movie were so great, but Sachin with his small time role made a huge impact. And I do not think that anybody who has seen Sholay can say that who is Sachin. He left a mark in such a little time of the movie, such a little role, he left an unforgettable mark. That is why I want to show you this record. Yes, it's a bit damaged, the cover is damaged, and you can see even the autograph has been damaged. But looking at the role of Sachin, I could not take any other record. And you can see he has signed saying "Love, Sachin." And once again, it's time for the final artist, the 10th artist in this episode. Well, we started this episode with the winner of the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, India's highest award in cinema. And I'm thinking, why not end with an artist who also has been awarded this award? I am talking about Soumitra Chatterjee. Soumitra Chatterjee or Soumitra Chattopadhyay is an Indian film actor best known for his collaborations with Oscar-winning film director Satyajit Ray, with whom he worked in 14 films. He is also the first Indian film personality conferred with the Order of Arts and Letters, the highest French award for artists. He also received the French highest civilian award, the coveted Legion of Honor, as the first ever Indian actor. Along with the Dadasaheb Phalke Award, he has won 2 National Film Awards as an actor, the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, 7 Filmfare Awards, and also the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India. Besides films, he has continued acting in Kolkata-based Bengali theatre and has even published over 12 poetry books. To meet Soumitra Chatterjee, I went to Kolkata because that's where he stays. And a couple of friends knew his residence, so we went there to meet him. He was not at home, so we waited a few minutes and he turned up in about 20-25 minutes. And it was a pleasure to see him, to meet him, and we all got autographs. He autographed all the items with great joy. And the record I want to show you is a Bengali record. This is from the soundtrack of the movie Ghere Bere. And you can see at the back there are quite a lot of photographs on this cover, otherwise colorful cover. And in the front you can see he has signed in English saying to Jazzy Joe, Soumitra Chatterjee, and at the bottom of the front cover he has again signed in Bengali. And now we come to the end of this episode featuring popular Indian actors. I hope you enjoyed the autographs and the information. And if you did enjoy, please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you many more videos like this. And you can also like and share this video. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more. For any suggestions or questions, you can send an email to jazzyautographs@yahoo.com. For all my autograph collector friends, happy collecting. And for everyone else watching, thanks for being with me, and I hope to see you soon again with 10 more celebrities and 10 more autographs. Till then, take care and all the best.